Hello guys, today we're gonna learn something about SnapPoint rules. As you can see here, these two tiles do not fit exactly together, but they fit the other way around. So either we can just use the spacebar every time we add a tile, or we create a rule for the editor to apply. Any tile library can have SnapPoint rules attached to them. Right click and create new SnapPoint tools for this library. We want to snap tunnel 1 to tunnel 1. Each snap point carries its own index so that you can distinguish them in the editor. Here we want to snap point 0 to snap point 1 and vice versa. Just set our rules to the tile library. Now the level editor knows exactly how to connect the tiles together, so we don't have to toggle between snap points anymore. And that was it. Have a nice day.